Hi guys, it's Meenu and I'm back to the trek. I haven't posted any video from past 1 year. So today I bring you guys a little Christmassy and yet very festive kind of tutorial. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to create this makeup look. I feel like this season is a perfect time to bring out your little red, a little bit of glitter. So if you guys want to see how to create this look, please keep on watching. Contact lenses are on. And for primer, I'm using NYX Cosmetic Honeydew Me Up. Applying it with this cute little heart-shaped silicone beauty blender all over my face. Now I'm using a red lipstick from L18 Colourpop's matte lipstick in shade number R33 to cancel out my dark circles and blending it nicely with my finger. It's a trick actually because red will neutralize the bluish purplish that causes dark circles and works about inside your skin. And I want you guys to keep in mind that this red lipstick trick is not for everybody, and if you have severe dark circles, you want to use in an orangey reddish color. For those of you with cooler tones and your complexion is too fair to match an orangey concealer, you will want to pick up a peach based color. It does the same job, just serves as less intense alternative. And now I'm using my Fit Me foundation in shade number 310, blending it with dense brush. Now I'm using LA Girl Pro High Definition Concealer for contouring and concealing, and I'm using shade Dark Cocoa on my forehead, on side of my face, on my nose, and just a little bit below here. And then I'm using shade Pure Beige under my eyes, on my forehead, and on my chin, and also on bridge of my nose. And now quickly blending it out, and honestly telling you guys, I have been loving using this Pure Beige concealer to cancel out my dark circles. I'm gonna go in and bake my face now with the Revolution Banana Powder, and I'm using this with brush under my eyes, on my forehead, on my chin. Also carve out this contour bit more. So we'll leave the baking on for a while, and I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer to start priming my eyes. So I'm just gonna wipe away all the excess of the powder, and now I'm using this shade from NYX Cosmetics Strobe of Genius Highlighter Palette with a fan brush. Look at that highlighter though, and applying it on my cheekbones, tip of my nose, and cupid bow. I'm gonna go in with a blusher now, and I'm using this beautiful pink color on my cheeks. And now let's move on to the eyes. I'm gonna go in with this NYX Cosmetics Away with Glow liquid highlighter as a glittery base. I'm just using a big fluffy brush just to blend it out the base. And for eyes, I'm gonna go in with this bronzy loose glitter. This look is actually very simple yet glittery for a festive season, and you guys can add or undo any product as you want. So now I'm gonna do a bit of eyeliner, and I'm gonna go with this Maybelline pen eyeliner and also do like a strong wing. For eyelashes, I'm using NYX Cosmetics Wicked Lashes. Taking my NYX concealer pencil, gonna pop this in my waterline. It just keeps the eye nice and wide open. And now taking this brown eyeshadow, I'm gonna smudge right below my waterline. And for mascara, I'm applying the Maybelline Colossal Volume Express Waterproof Mascara on both of my upper and lower lashes. I'm going to be highlighting my brow bone using the same shade which I've used to highlight my cheekbone from NYX Strobe of Genius Highlighting Palette. And for lips, first I'm using a red lip liner to outline and fill my lips, and after that I'm using NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in shade Cherry Skies. And completing my look by setting it with L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Setting Spray. And here is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this simple yet very festive glittery look. And if you guys enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to thumbs up. And if you are new here, please take a moment to subscribe and follow me on my Instagram. My handle is at Meenu Mehra Makeup, and I will see you soon with a brand new video. Bye guys.